I'm Dr. J.B. Simha. I work as Chief Technology Officer with Abiba Systems. I'm also participating as the Chief Mentor of REVA Academy for Corporate Excellence, where we are training the industry professionals on the cutting edge technologies. So one of the things that I feel we are far ahead in terms of the imparting education, specifically the cutting edge technology education to the industry, is in terms of the state-of-art labs we have in the REVA University. I'm proud to be associated with this university since the beginning. I was part of curriculum development. I also participating in developing the course content and delivering it and evaluating the people who are coming out of this course. So one thing I feel good about some of these courses are compared to the traditional learning, there are two differentiators. The first differentiator is the cutting edge technologies, which are the state-of-art trending technologies like artificial intelligence, data science and business analytics, security analytics, some of these which are not available across the pan-India except with some universities. REVA University is providing that. That's one of the distinguishing factors from other courses. The second factor that we are looking at is more or less the live projects the participants will do, which will help them in getting some kind of exposure to how really they can participate in developing the next generation technologies or developing the products for some of these where they are working in their own organizations. These two gives them the head start to become a candidate for lateral placement, which may be difficult if they just do a university course. So I feel these two distinguishing factors will help the participants in becoming the better than what they were earlier to get into the future jobs, the jobs of the technology which is likely to be coming ahead in the next few years. I wish REVA University all the success and the participants good luck.